Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 73. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 here and an 8 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 here and an 8 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 8, 4. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 covering these two boxes, so our 3 must be here. 3 and 7 here, so 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 6, 1. That 2 makes this our 8, 2. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 3, 9. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this row, we're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing a 3. And for this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.